Okay, so what we're gonna do in here is we got the 4 monitors and we'll wall mount them. So we're gonna pull that shelf, and the electrician already unhooked the wire. We're gonna put that shelf over here, take this shelf out, and then you got plenty of room for the wall, on the wall for monitors. And then we'll look at running a grommet, probably put a grommet in the countertop or use that hole that's in the wall. Fish everything underneath, put a shelf underneath, mount everything up high. A lot of that Michael can do, but we'll get the shelves out of the way so that Michael can wall mount the monitors at least. And then we'll leave the upper shelves for now. They're great. And of course, if you wanted to do a wall cabinet there, we could pull that shelf and just put in a full height wall cabinet. On this side, we could do a corner wall cabinet, but it's pretty minimal gain. So I don't know. But at the very least, we'll just swap the shelves around, which is super easy. So that's what we're doing here. Okay, bye.